And it was live. It was crazy. Them girls had to be there at 3:30 in the morning. Miss CURAÇAO, man, I felt so sorry for her. She was walking out, and I stopped her. Beautiful girl, tall, Lord have mercy, gorgeous. And she was just crying. I said, hold on. I said, what you doing? And she just sobbing, crying. I said, no, come back in here. So I took her back in the dressing room where all the girls sit. And I set her down. She was the last one leaving. She was pulling her luggage. She was struggling. So I got my assistant. I said, hey, man, come here, carry her bags for her. She was struggling, trying to get it over them humps and just crying. I said, sit down. And she said she was so hurt. I said, you can't cry because you didn't win. I said, look, you got to look at the upside. I said, you can't cry. She said, I'm not crying because I lost. I'm crying because my country was counting on me. See, last year, Miss CURAÇAO got in the top 10. And they thought this girl right here could win it for them. And they wanted her to win it for the country so bad. And she said, I've let so many people down.
Oh, what a heavy.
And she was just crying. I got some tissues and I said, what I said, listen to me. How old are you? She's 21. I said, I got a daughter, 20 years old. So listen to me. You can't take the weight of this country on your shoulders. I said, that's not, I said, you're being judged. It's a subjective judging. This wasn't a math quiz or who know the answers fast. This wasn't Jeopardy. This was just, oh, we pick you, we pick her, we picked her. It's 86 women out here. I said, come on now. So she got to listening to me, and then, I told her some stuff about losing and how many times I done lost, and you got to pick it. So she got herself together, she stopped crying. I said, don't get on that bus, let these girls see you crying like that. There was a lot of girls crying, but I couldn't, I stopped that one girl, man. She was just heartbroken. I want to write a letter to the Tourism Board of Curaçao and let them know how really great of a person this girl was. Because she was so hurt because she wanted something for her small island. Man, it was crazy, man. And I just felt really, really badly for her.